Best Buy Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get retail memberships wrong by assuming they only provide minor perks. Best Buy membership in 2025 offers free shipping, exclusive deals, and early access to sales, but is it worth it? Members enjoy discounts on tech, appliances, and gadgets, plus perks like extended return windows and access to special events. The surprising truth is savings. You won't believe what happens next when you see the potential yearly value for frequent shoppers, especially on high-ticket electronics. Another advantage is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking memberships are just about discounts. Best Buy members also receive free shipping on most items, personalized recommendations, and easy online order management. This makes shopping seamless and efficient. However, cons exist. Membership costs a yearly fee, which may not justify the benefits for casual shoppers. Some deals are limited or available to all customers, reducing exclusivity. Additionally, perks may vary by location or product category. In conclusion, Best Buy membership in 2025 is ideal for tech enthusiasts and frequent shoppers who want savings, convenience, and early access to deals. If you regularly buy electronics or appliances, the membership can pay for itself. For occasional buyers, weigh the cost against the benefits to determine if it's worth it.